Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you have hit the sponsor request limit on Cash App, it means you have reached the maximum number of accounts you can manage as a sponsor, or the sponsored account has reached its limit. So to fix it, you have to open the Cash App and log into your account. Log into your Cash App account. You have to scroll down and then you have to click support. As you can see, I have some internet issues, so I can't log into my account. You just have to go and tap onto it and search for the support option. In the search bar, type remove as a sponsor and select the option that shows canceling sponsorship. Scroll down and tap chat to connect Cash App support. Type I would like to cancel as a sponsor from my account and then submit. Once it is done, the issue will be resolved, and that's it. So if this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.